gonna try vlogging, but in my house. So I'm gonna show you guys how many pairs of Shattered Backboard Air Jordan 1 mid I have, and I'm gonna explain to you guys how you can resell your sneakers. Where's the best place to sell your sneakers? I'm gonna make it a lot of episode and stuff like that. So please drop a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time, and I'll start explaining everything. Bye. So right now in front of me, I have a lot of Air Jordan 1 mid Shattered Backboard in the Shattered Backboard colorway. I have 18 pairs right now, and 6 more pairs is on the way. I'll let you guys know how to resell sneakers and everything like that, as I mentioned before. And I'm gonna start explaining where's the best place and basically and platform to sell your sneakers.
The next day.
Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to A Sneaker Gaming. Today you're probably wondering, oh my god, how did this guy get 24 pairs of Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard mid? I know a lot of person in front of me. Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to A Sneaker Gaming. Today, as you can see right in front of me, I have 24 pairs of Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard mid. If you're the person watching this video, you're probably wondering, how in the world can this little kid get 24 pairs? I know there's a lot of sneaker resellers that can get a lot of pairs. They can get more than me. They can get like 100 pairs or 200 pairs. Salute to them, shout out to them. But today I'm going to give you guys tips and where you can sell your sneakers and where you can maximize your profit. So without any more talking, let's get started with the videos. By the way, please drop a like and subscribe. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, so please just drop the subscribe button. Just hit it. It only takes 2 seconds. I'm currently at 905 subscribers. So just drop a like and subscribe, and then follow me on Instagram at AA Sneaker. If you have any questions regarding sneaker reselling, just message me. I'm glad to help you out. And if you want to legit check any sneakers, just message me, and then each time for a legit check is $5. So I'll try to do my best work, and I'll tell you guys where the flaw is and which part doesn't add up. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, where you can get your sneakers. So there's a lot of ways you can get your sneakers. You can do it on your online app, such as Nike sneakers. That's where you can get them for retail. You just enter your address and stuff like that, your credit card info, and then just follow or notify or keep track on each release. That's it. It's like basically like a first come first serve. It's called a Leo drop. And another way is to get your pairs in your local store. You can enter your raffle, or you just go stay in line, first come first serve, or use the app such as reservation apps such as Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, and Finish Line. But in Taiwan, most of us do online text raffle or in-store raffles. And tip number 2, where you can get your sneakers for a great price or for a steal price. So mostly I get my shoes from retail stores, or I do backdoors. But if I want to get some steals to increase my income or my revenue or my profit, I go on Facebook and I find a lot of steals and a lot of deals. So basically, last time I found a Human Race pack, a Human Race BBC cotton candy, and a Human Race black OG for a bundle deal for only like I think it was $480, and I sold the BBC for around like 800. So that's a lot of profit just for 2 pairs of shoes. So you just need your time. You just have to put in the time and work to find the steals and deals. And there's apps such as Goat, StockX, or Poison, or Nice. You can find a lot of deals there, or you can just basically cash out StockX. You can just buy out every single pair of shoes, but the best way to buy your sneakers is on Instagram or Facebook. And you're probably wondering, how about if I want to sell my sneakers? You can go on Facebook group as well, make a want to sell post, or start your Instagram page, build up your clients. And it'll be easier to make your future transaction and build your reputation. It'll be a lot easier, trust me, it goes a long way. And number 3, which place is the best place to maximize your profit? For example, in my opinion, is if you have your own personal clients, you can sell them for a great price, and then if they accept the price, you can get your profit. Or you can sell to platforms such as StockX, Goat, Poison, or Nice. They take away some commission fee, but other than that, you can still get your money. It'll be a lot easier to sell your sneakers. Flight Club works as well. So there's a lot of ways to sell your sneakers, but for me, my personal favorite is to sell on Facebook. It's easier because they just transfer me the money or just wire me the money. I get the payment and I just ship out the shoes, or I just meet up with the person. It's a lot easier. But in Asia, if you want to maximize your profit, sell it to Poison or Nice. Buyers in China, they're willing to pay for a lot of money. They take shoes as stock investment, basically. So if you still have any question, drop that in the comments down below. I can make another video on it, and then I'll try to make an episode called Life of a Reseller. So this is probably going to be episode 1. So without any more talking, see you guys next time, and drop a like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at AASneaker. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.